This is our premade bag filling packing machine. It's suitable for different kinds of solid product packing. The machine includes 4 parts: the feeding parts, weighing system, support platform, and the premade bag filling sealing machine. Now, let's see the whole machine operation procedure. Firstly, product will be put into the storage hopper for offset filling into the multi-head weighing system. Customized multi-head weighers with sensitivity sensor measure the weighing in high accuracy of a tolerance within 1%. While the product is ready, we can prepare the premade pouch to put on the bag loader. Then, the machine head will pick up the pouch vertically one by one. The bag will go for next station for bag opening. An optional clamp set will assist to open the zipper bag. After opening, the bag will deliver to next station for further filling from the multi-head weigher system. An optional inserting device will help the product better inside the bag. After filling, the bag mount will be leveling by machine for bag sealing. With widened sealing jaw, ensure the bag sealing result in good status. Lastly, the finished bag comes out from the conveyor. With stainless steel support platform, operators can go out to check the multi-head layer and do the cleaning job. Machine operation parameters are clearly displayed and adjusted on the touch screen. Besides, machine electronic boards and transmission structure are in clearly arrangement, easy for end users to do the routine maintenance.